स्कूल से घर आने के बाद सेल्फ स्टडी का टाइम ही नहीं मिलता, क्योंकि होमवर्क इतना ज़्यादा मिलता है आजकल कि पूरा टाइम निकल जाता है. बिकॉज ऑफ होमवर्क यू कांट इवन गेट सम टाइम फॉर एक्स्ट्रा टाइम फॉर योर सेल्फ स्टडीज़. इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो फॉलोइंग like you are also facing this problem, then this video might help you, because I am going to share some 5 tips and habit that all you need to follow to gain some extra time for your self study and school hours, and you will be able to manage all of them, trust me, because I was also facing this problem at the starting of my sessions, and but then I followed these 5 tips and really it helped me. Now I am able to manage my school hours, my batch classes, and my self study hours as well, as you can see from my past videos that how I managed all of them. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So I am Diksha, a CBSE 10th grader, and welcome back to the channel. So basically our problem is we are not having enough time for our self study, and we are not able to manage our school hours with our self study hours, because of one thing we are suppressing our other thing, and we need both to be get done in a quite efficient way. And this is what my pointers will help you to really get done all the things like your batch classes, your school task, and your study like self study hours. So the first pointer is a mistake like many students do, is not focusing during their school hours. You are studying and your teacher is studying, but you're not focusing, you are not understanding, then you ask your teacher. But don't ever waste that time. If your teacher is teaching something, you focus it. They are not teaching anything dumb or waste. It is very important to you, because if you're like, I don't understand this topic, I will study at home, I will study or like start the chapter at home, you are like already adding more burden to your already so much task. So it's like you're wasting your time at school. So when you focus, you don't even need to like do that thing at school, you just have to revise it. And trust me बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ये करते होंगे, एंड दे डोंट इवन रियलाइज इट. उन्हें लगता होगा कि मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा, कोई बात नहीं, मैं वहाँ पे स्कूल में समझ नहीं आ रहा, तो आई विल स्टडी एट द होम. एंड यू आर लाइक this is adding more tasks to your after school routine. And I would not suggest कि अगर तुम्हें कोई डाउट है तो आस्क योर टीचर. डोंट एवर फील शाई टू आस्क योर डाउट. इफ़ यू फील शाई कि what people will think about your doubt, then I was also one of those kid, but I know that no one thinks about your doubt at all. You ask freely, and कोई टॉपिक समझ नहीं आ रहा तो तुम पूछो. तो पहला टास्क तो ये हो गया कि पहला मिस्टेक यह था कि यू डोंट फोकस इन योर क्लास. If you focus, then it is very good. And moving forward, second tip is, which I follow like even when I was in class 8 or 9th, is to complete my pending work in my free periods of school hours. Even if I get any free time and I am not scrolling on my phone, or I don't want to do other things, I complete my pending work. Like if I have free periods in my school, and I was like, I don't play around, I don't like do random stuffs, I complete my notes, I complete my all the pending work, or I complete my given homework for the day. And this helps to like get more time for myself for study hours. And now at home when I come out, I don't have that much homework because I completed that at home. And if you are being honest, homework is not that much, but a written work is more than the actual homework we have. So I try to complete that at the school itself. And my friends are like this ki we are like having challenges, we who complete this, who will solve this question. So it's a really fun thing you can try with your friends, and it's more fun to study with your friends as well, especially like challenges like who will complete this, who will practice, like who will solve this question. So yeah, this was the second point, that to use your free time more effectively and don't waste it. Because I think people just play around and they're like, okay, we have free time and we are studying anyways, so we enjoy this time. Okay, enjoying is not the problem, but if you have pending work, then complete in that free time. You are already complaining that you don't get time for your self study, but now you have free time, you are playing around. So that was the second tip of mine that I really believe you should like follow. Now coming to the third tip. Now this was the school thing, what you have to do in the school. Now coming home, you are home after the school hours, you get home, take a rest for 10 minutes, have your lunch, and then immediately start doing your homework. Yes, you heard me right. Immediately start doing your homework, because this is what I use, like I'm doing it right, like these days, even though my school has not started. But when before the summer vacation, I used to do this, like come home and immediately start doing my homework. And trust me, I already have like sitting power in my body. Like I was in that situation, in that position in my school for 6 hours now, that I have still have this energy in my body, that I can still sit and do my all the homework. Like it can be like written work, revision, or any reading task or anything. Just do your homework. But if you like to take nap in the afternoon, then you can skip and take afternoon nap, because you can't change your routine like that. Only you used to sleep in the afternoon, your body won't work for that. So take a nap and then start doing your work after that nap. But don't scroll after coming home. This was the biggest mistake I used to do. I was like, I will scroll only for few hours, not few hours, like 20 minutes. But it turned in the 20 minutes turned into like 2 hours for 1 hour, and I did not even realize कि कब हो रहा है. So don't scroll for that. After completing your homework, maximum home, like if you have so much homework, so it can take like maximum 3 hours, maybe 2 hours or 3 hours to complete your homework, and then you can take a rest. उसके बाद से the fourth pointer in my list is to don't make a hectic schedule for yourself, because you are already like you already spent your like 6 hours in the school sitting, and now you don't want to study like for 6 hours more. Okay, that is not realistic, I think. And if you are thinking ki studying different subjects and more subjects after school make you productive, that it does not make you productive, because studying so much subject at one day, like it's literally like khichdi of everything, and I don't think that works at all. I will say, don't make your schedule after school very hectic. Make that realistic, with one major subject that you think you need to work on, and a subject you think you need to revise it, and one subject you need think you have to like start the subject. And I won't say is to complete that subject if you're starting a new subject in that day only, because you can't do that. If you like want to study till midnight and late hours, yeah, then you may complete that chapter. But I won't say because you are already studying in the schools for 6 hours, now you're studying for 6. I won't say sleep is necessary, and I won't say कि you sacrifice your sleep for late night study hours. Late night study hours only work for you if you have slept in the afternoon for so long. Otherwise, I won't prefer studying late night for like theory subjects at all. Okay, now this I said this कि पहले नोट मेक अ हेक्टिक शेड्यूल, और मैंने बताया कि कैसे कैसे पढ़ना है कि एक मेजर सब्जेक्ट लो जिसमें तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस करनी है क्वेश्चंस, या फिर तुम्हें सिर्फ एक प्रैक्टिस करनी है क्वेश्चंस. मैथ्स हो सकता है, साइंस हो सकता है, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट कि तुम्हें क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करनी हो, उस सब्जेक्ट को लो. या फिर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हें इस सब्जेक्ट में कोई डाउट है तो मैं वो क्लियर कर लो, एंड देन फिर तुम्हें रिविजन वाला जो टास्क है वो भी कंप्लीट करना है. सो यू हैव टू मेक लाइक 3 टास्क. तुम्हें 3 टास्क ही कंप्लीट करने होंगे. एक तो रिविजन वाला, एक तो तुम्हें जो प्रैक्टिस करनी है वो, और एक तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हें जो चैप्टर स्टार्ट करना है खुद से, उसके लिए तुम एक स्टार्ट करो. एंड अगर तुम्हारे बैच में भी क्लासेस चल रहे हैं तो अटेंड इट. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि एक नया चैप्टर बैच में चालू हो गया लेकिन तुमने पिछला चैप्टर देखा नहीं, तो यूर लाइक कि मैं ये चैप्टर क्यों देखूँ जब मैंने पिछला वाला नहीं देखा. डोंट डू दैट. स्टार्ट द चैप्टर एनीवे, क्योंकि तुम बस अपना नया बर्डन, नया बैकलॉग बनाओगे अगर तुम वो चैप्टर भी स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे. सो या, एंड नाउ कम्स द fifth and the most important tip from my side, and I think it is the most important tip. It is plan your week and review your week. So on weekdays, like we have a weekday Sunday, on that day we are supposed to make it productive. And how do we make it productive? By starting a new chapter? No, we have to make it productive by reviewing our past week. What are the pending tasks we have, what my goals for the last week but I did not complete them. So from the past week, review all the tasks and then complete your backlog, complete the past few works you have but you did not complete them, like your notes and your backlogs from your batch. Complete them on the Sunday, and after that you plan your next week, that what are going to be your goals for the next coming week, what chapters you are supposed to complete, what revision you have to do. Like if you started a chapter like last week, so you do the revision of the chapter this coming week. This is how you effectively study for your any subject. Okay, and when you like plan your next week, you are supposed to have goals like completing a chapter, practicing questions of this chapter, and you better complete it, because if you don't stick to your goal and don't achieve them, then you won't be able to be productive at all, and I don't think that will going to help you. So if you really need and if you really want कि तुम अपना प्रोडक्टिव भी हो और सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हो तो इफ़ेक्टिवली करो, तो ऐसे ही करो कि एक दिन, और हाँ, एक दिन में बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को मत पढ़ो, लाइक बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइक आई वॉन्ट सपोर्ट दैट कि बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट को एक ही दिन में पढ़ो. तुम साइंस भी एक दिन में पढ़ रहे हो, यू आर स्टडिंग मैथ्स, यू आर स्टडिंग साइंस टू, एंड इट्स लाइक khichdi of that all thing. I don't recommend this. And if I'm studying science, so I will completely फोकस ऑन दैट सब्जेक्ट ओनली. उसके बाद से मैं प्रैक्टिस करूँगी क्वेश्चंस. अगर मुझे अदर सब्जेक्ट करने होंगे, फिर कभी मुझे कोई रिविजन करना होगा, तो आई विल डू दैट. नाउ कम्स द बोनस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. सो आई सेट कि मैं 5 पॉइंट्स बताऊँगी, बट नाउ आई रिमेंबर वन मोर पॉइंट दैट आई थिंक आई शुड शेयर विथ यू, that if you don't feel like studying, if you are really tired, and if you don't feel like studying after your like school hours, after completing your homework, then don't push yourself, but at least study for some hours. But if you are like, okay, I am done, I don't think I can study, I am tired, my eyes are tired, I really need to sleep, then don't sacrifice your sleep. Just go and sleep. Don't push yourself so hard sometimes, because you have time right now. But if you're really doing hard, so it's okay to take big break in betweens, and तो अपने आप को पुश मत करो. यू गिव योर सेल्फ अ ब्रेक, बिकॉज इट्स ओके टू हैव अ ब्रेक. अब एंड आई वुड से कि कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस और PYQs पे ज़्यादा फोकस करो. दैट इज़ ऑल आई थिंक. एंड एग्जाम्पलर ऑफ कोर्स. और अगर तुम्हें कोई एक्स्ट्रा बुक करनी है मैथ्स में, तो RD Sharma इज़ दैट ऑल आई प्रेफर एंड रिकमेंड, बिकॉज उसमें बहुत सारे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस भी हैं. और मैंने 2026 का एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया, सेट 1 का, ट्राइंगल्स चैप्टर्स का, तो वो मैंने देखा कि RD में भी उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं उसमें. सो या, that was all for the video. I hope this video helped you, and I'm damn sure that you are going to follow this if you really think कि तुम्हें मैनेज करना है स्कूल आवर्स को और अपने सेल्फ स्टडी आवर्स को. और सबसे पहले तो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा जिस पे फोकस करूँगी, तो उसमें कहूँगी कि मैं खुद स्कूल के तुरंत बाद अपना होमवर्क करो, एंड जो अपना पेंडिंग वर्क है उसको स्कूल आवर में कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करो इन योर फ्री पीरियड्स. एंड ऑल्सो आई वुड फोकस कि बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करूँगी इस टॉप पॉइंट पे कि बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स एक दिन में पढ़ने का ट्राई मत करो. एक मेजर सब्जेक्ट, रिविजन सब्जेक्ट, और एक न्यू सब्जेक्ट chapter you want to start. That is all for this video. I hope this video helped you. बहुत ही ज़्यादा चीज़ें करने की मैंने नहीं कहा. I just pointed out some 5 tips that you all need to follow. And if you really like the video, please like and subscribe, and I will make more videos like these on your demand. And I really hope that I helped you, because मैंने भी ये बहुत सारी problems सेशन के स्टार्टिंग में फेस की थी, बट नाउ दैट आई नो द टिप्स, आई रियली वांटेड टू शेयर विथ यू गाइज व्हेन यू आस्क्ड. सो आई रियली होप दैट यू लाइक द वीडियो, एंड इफ़ यू रियली लाइक द वीडियो, प्लीज़ comment, subscribe and like. Bye bye. It's Diksha here.